abantu ababesebenza kalolini efanele batholakala efanele kube khona umhlangano wabo mina bengilindele ukuthi abantu bakaloliwe bazobe begcwele ngisho ipassage yabo because when we talk about money ukhuluma ngento ekuthintayo nethinta umndeni wakho yabo and ngeke ngisaqashwa ndawo ayike indaba anizochitha kuyisikhathi ngaphandle kwakhe yokuzofuna imfuno zenu yabo mama ubona abantu lapha bazofuna khona imfuno zabo angazi babhizi nabazukulu bazobashiya nani ngoba ngabe bala bazothi noma ngasayidlanga kodwa abazukulu bazoyidla yabo so ileyo nto engifuna ukuzoyikhuthaza kakhulu bafowethu ukuthi ma comrade ami umkhonto wawushila ukuthi uzowubuyisa isithunzi somuntu omnyama yonke into esiyenzayo is all about bringing isithunzi somuntu omnyama isithunzi sethu salahleka ngesikhathi samabhulu kwangeve thu railway nje kuphela sasicindezele it was not just only the work but it was an oppression yabo eyayihambisana nomsebenzi wangaleso sikhathi so now kuyajikeka kukho kona lokho asanikezwe imali zethu and ngizwile wonke umuntu bafowethu is looking at the pie awuzwayo njengoba makuthiwa nje nasi isigaxa semali ethiwa sirotshwa yona everybody ngisho abameli is looking at the pie yes or not he's talking about the percentage yes or not they are looking at the pie ungabuka ngisho ilokuze ilento ile amajaji when you present the case they look at the pie bese bezothi mabeqala bethi bayi-attacker bese kusuka labo abaphethe lesa snake bathi this is your pie wenzaneke umuntu osekunikile nakulo muntu osazoyilwela lento that is how the system of South Africa is working ngeke siqamba mangasithi kukhona into eshintshile akushintshanga lutho instead bafowethu if you look angazi I'm standing for corrections uma ubuka isikhathi lasicindezelwe ngase amabhulu sithi sibe ngcono kabi nesikhathi ucindezelwa khona umuntu insimbi yomuntu omnyama isinda ayidlule yamabhulu uyayizwa lona yileyo nto that we are facing right now where abantu bakithi becindezelwe abantu there is no more apartheid kodwa abantu basasitshena ngobandlululo basitsheni ngabo ukuthi imfuno zethu zi-addresswa kanjani that is a problem njengamanje sihlezi angithi yabo sikwi-crisis sodwa they are not here sikwi-crisis sodwa sihlezi sodwa si-addresse inkinga esasibavotela ukuthi bayo-addresse eparlamente kodwa manje sekufanele thina la ekuhlaleni sibe nalento esihlalele manje ukuthi kambe senze njani why should I vote senze njani manje kudliwe imali zethu senze njani kufanele ngabe there is a change esiyibonayo uma silethe icase bangaba silethe nje icase engekho umuntu ozoyithatha adlule naye okwethu kube khona kuthiwa hlangana nonke nabakaloliwe uYesu sibanibani is here to take your matters to wherever it's supposed to go bafowethu asikho la because kuyavotwa akho umuntu ovotayo manje sibambe icall thina ethi kumsholozi let's change impilo zabantu akho umuntu bafowethu oze la kinina ngoba kuyavotwa manje akho umuntu ovotayo akho umuntu onjani size la ngoba sine call engemva ethi let's change impilo zabantu and thina si work tirelessly senzela sure ukuthi abantu bakithi bayasizakala ngokomthetho afanele maniphuma la into enihlalele futhi noze niphinde nibizwe komunye umhlangano there is no progress ngangcono ukuthi usemhlanganweni uzothola iprogress bazotshelwa futhi ukuthi hey ngaphinde ngama futhi yezwa lona but you supposed to be ukuthi uzonikezwa ireport ethi hayi bafowethu usila la isikhona njengamanje ayithi uyezwa manje just 30,000 bese to drop the four kusho ukuthi kwabona abameli abananhliziyo uyacabanga uvula ngo-30,000 icase uphinde futhi usabheke nalowo waphaya lowa icase ngapha sikhokhele 30,000 nophaya futhi awudinga lo wapha. Uyabona ukuthi our people are very greedy.
Hayi.
Very greedy. Our people basitshengisa ukuthi greediness iqeda i-interest yabantu bakithi abamnyama esithe sizobakhulula. So mina what I'm saying bafowethu ukuthi carry on with this matter. Sidla nani. Asidinge futhi sizocela even kubameli bomkhonto. Kubameli bomkhonto nabo sizobacela abameli bomkhonto ukuthi bafowethu laba ama-pensioners lawo esikhuluma ngawo. Awanamali, awanasent. Ama-pensioners. Sifuna le case. Why lapha iphinde nalayide khona. Ngoba sidinga ukuyibona leya case ibe materialized. Sifuna ukubona leya case iphumelele. So okwethu nje njoba sila sizokulwela lokho bafowethu. Sizokulwela lokho. Asisho ukuthi sizowina noma sizowina phela kuphethe umkhonto. Kodwa what we know ukuthi let's break le yanto. Laba abantu abathi kuya expire ngazi expire